We got my buddy's 2018 Limited. You can tell right here he decided to smack a deer. Dadgum, 3 days later, got the ranch hand ordered. So we're going to unload it with a tractor.
Alright, should be good back up. Yep.
Brandon, let's open her up and see what you got. Oh, you got a regular knife on you? It's a ranch hand. Oh, Brandon's like me and hits deer. Front of his truck's messed up too, so we're putting something on it to fix that.
Got some washers, bolts, couple nuts, a couple welded nut plates.
It's gonna be stout.
Oh, yeah.
Ranch hand. What is this right here? LBF brackets. I wonder if this is what goes on your frame.
Probably. If I'm not mistaken, you unbolt those tow hooks and put it there in its place.
Heck yeah. Light bulb out here working. We're about there though.
We look like we're kind of working medieval times. There's another paper somewhere.
It's in the.
Oh, this one is.
See, it said something about.
Is this the first time you read the instructions, Brandon?
No.
Did she line up all right?
So far.
Heck yeah. Well, we got the ranch hand on and it is clean. What do you think, Brandon?
I love it. I'm stoked with it.
Brother, it is so nice. Bro, hit the rock lights for the for YouTube.
Front one works.
Oh my God, brother. Going down the road, 35 miles an hour, how's it gonna look?
Great.
Everybody on YouTube's gonna be like, what are they talking about? Well, y'all, sorry we didn't get too much more filmed. We ran out of daylight and
Patience.
patience. But it looks good. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, good or bad. I don't care. Any engagement helps, and I appreciate it all.